guys, ang daming ship. Oh,
yeah,
ayan.
this is Glasgow now.
Glasgow. Glassell. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Pupunta kami doon sa kaibigan ni Sisi Marcy. And then pupunta kami sa magandang view sa
My work is there, people.
Oh.
And this forest.
What a nice place here guys. This is a farm here in Yuki. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang daming sheep. Ang daming sheep guys. Sheep. Carnero in language natin sa Bisaya. Lamb, this is lamb baby, right?
Lamb, sheep.
Sheep, yeah, lamb. But sorry, I did not eat this because this is with I saw in the Bible.
Yeah.
With God.
My work goes here left, here the road.
Yeah, dito yung.
I'm not going there because it's behind the forest. Another time.
Another way.
Visit another time.
Okay, baby.
Because
This is the way also my part-time job of my kabiyak. Ayan, kabila niyan guys.
So, Glasgow, look. Yeah,
Glasgow. Ayan, this is a Glasgow place. Ayan, diyan nagpa-part-time yung aking habibi, napakasipag. Ayan guys. Diba? Walang kabahay-bahay dito. Ito ang cute ng bahay. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo guys, napakalawak. Ayan, ang laki ng farm dito. Maybe you need, if you have a farm, you need to spend money also, baby, right? Because see, it's a big farm. Mercy Friend also, they have a farm.
And then you cannot able to do your own garden, and then you have to pay people to do your garden.
Yeah.
You have to have a lot of money.
Yeah, farmer is a lot of money also. They have a season to harvest. Napakaganda dito guys.
12 minutes per day.
12 minutes?
Yeah.
Karaig Mile. Daanan namin yung isang lugar. Oh, stop. Ano dito?
Kincarding or Nayan.
Why they stop there?
They're going to different. Maybe we'll go there to Braemar.
Oh.
We're going first to that Lampana.
Oh, the house also is big. Like a castle. You see the village here guys, different.
10-11 minutes.
We're going to Sister Mercy Friend. Drayton Garage. Oh, a lot of cars here. Oh, did they this?
Sale.
Oh,
Second-hand
see
cars.
Canal. But si Canal is nice. Drive carefully. Tingnan nyo dito guys. Dolphins. Imagine Mercy driving alone here. Very early in the morning. Mercy or home. A lot of seagulls guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Kaya pati ba yung disenyo ng bahay dito. Ayan. Iba-iba. Grabe ang ganda. Parang mga luma na siya guys. Simple guys. Iba na naman to. Why did not tell me to take? This is a church I think. Pharmacy. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Parang itong place na to nakikita ko lang siya sa movie. Yan sa mga pictures.
School.
Yeah, this is a school nila guys. Tingnan nyo, ibang design, di ba? Ayan, farm again. This is village here. Village farm court. Nadadaanan natin yung village farm court. Di ba guys? Iba't iba talaga ang disenyo. Mga yayaman ng tao dito sa UK. Rich people here in UK. Scotland. This is a part of Scotland. Aberdeen, the same, baby?
Aberdeen?
Yeah, this is Aberdeen? No?
This is not Aberdeen anymore. This is a different place.
Not Aberdeen.
This is
But part of Scotland.
I've got a name.
And guys, ibang village na naman. Dito guys, napakaluwang ng kapaligiran. Pwede kang sumigaw dito. Shout out! You shout loud here. It's a free. It's a free. Guys, dito tayo sa kabila. Ayan. Habang nagdadrive ang aking kabayak. Ayan, tingnan yung mga bahay guys. Like a castle, diba? Dito na naman tayo sa kabila guys. Imagine, pag maraming mag-snow. Puno ng snow dito guys. Ayan, ayan, papunta na tayo doon. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Napakaganda. How many minutes, baby?
8.
Oh, almost arrived in Sister Mercy friend Aida. I know Aida just only in Facebook.
Is her name Aida?
Yeah, Aida.
Sisi Aida.
Sisi Aida and Sisi Gina.
Sisi Aida Jordan.
And wala sa plano to guys na magpunta kami kasi ang plano namin ni Mi Amor. Pupunta kami sa magandang view din. A river. That's a river. Oh, a lot of duck. Cow. Cows. Wow. Yan yung mga bundok dito guys. Ayan.
Ganado in Spanish. The Filipino, what do you call?
Baka.
Vaca.
Yeah, baka. Baka cow. Tingnan nyo guys ang lugar.
Yeah, in Spanish also vaca. Same.
Ayan, napakaganda ng lugar dito. Lapit na tayo sa bahay ni Sister Aida. Shout out. Ayan, ganda ng mga bahay dito guys. Ayan, parang mga mansion. Diba? Wow, baby. Drive slowly. But dito guys, limit ang pagdadrive. Just only, they have a limit, right baby? 80 or 70?
No, 60.
60?
60.
60. Yeah. Kasi kahit dito ka sa lalokit ka pa rin. Ayan, tingnan guys, mga puno. OMG, ang dilim. Very dark. Wow, ship guys. Ayan. Ang cute
This
nila
is Lampanan.
guys.
That's it. Lampanan.
Oh, this is Lampanan.
That's where she lives. The name. Sisi, what's her name again?
Aida.
Sisi Aida.
Ayan, Sisi Aida. See you. Diba? Wala nga sa plano to. But not here? Or maybe
No. Still I follow the instructions from this.
Oh, see. Oh, ganda guys ng mga bahay. Ganda ng lugar niyo, Sisi Aida. Ayan, tahimik. Quiet place.
Next street.
Oh, I see.
Oh, visit.
Oy, bird! Bilis kasi magpatakbo. Ayan, liliko na kami dito. Activity park. This side, activity park. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng village dito. Ay, wow. Maybe Mercy car here. Not this.
No. 5 minutes.
Marbit Arms. Ganda ng village nila dito guys. Oh. Ayan. Wow.
Sisi.
Mapawaw ka sa
Sisi
ganda dito guys.
Sisi Messi.
Ayan, ang ganda oh. What a beautiful place. Wow. Ito guys, oh, tingnan nyo, parang church. This is a church I think.
Yeah.
Ayan.
OMG. So I'm up in the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, the head hill.
She said hill?
Yeah, head hill in the address.
Oh, yeah.
Not here in the...
Not every village.
Yeah, head hill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, upstairs.
Yeah, she has animals, no? Chickens. and
Yeah,
things.
they have a lot of goat, I think, or
Goat? Lamb. What's it called?
lamb.
Filipino?
Carnero.
No, goat.
Kambing.
Camping.
Kambing.
Oh, camping.
Ayan guys, ang ganda dito guys. Ayan. Yaman ng mga tao dito sa UK. Ang lalawak ng lupain. Ayan, ang ganda naman dito. Ay, parang church. I think that is a church. We are here at a very nice place. Plain of Tea. Yan guys, doon kami galing sa taas. Yan guys, dito nakikita ko lang dati sa mga movies. Ayan, nandito na ako ngayon. At saka yun, oh, may lake doon. Tingnan mo yung water. Maririnig din yun guys. Sister Mercy is there. And Sis Aida.
Just tell them to come back. We'll go to the nicer place.
You ask them.
Yeah.
You ask them, baby.
Are you coming up?
Lang nagbibideo pa si Sis Mercy. Baby, you take me a video like this. Like this.
Wait,
Yeah, stand. Yeah.
give me more. I sat there. Huh?